Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to purchase crypto from BitBuy. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser. And once you're inside your browser, what you need to do is head over to the BitBuy homepage. Now once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account. Now the next thing that you need to do is click on the option that says Express Trade. Now once you click on it, here you'll be sent to this Express Trade page. Now you'll have two options, buy and sell. We are buying, so click on the option that says buy. And now what you need to do is select crypto that you want to purchase. Let's just assume you want to buy Bitcoin, or if you want to buy Ethereum, just click on this drop down menu and then select the preferable cryptocurrency that you want. And now here the next thing is you can either use the available amount, that is this one, or you can just simply enter in the amount that you want from $10 to maximum the available amount balance. Now once you're done with that, click on buy Bitcoin. Once you're in this page, what you need to do is just check the transaction summary, and once you're done with that, all you gotta do is just simply click on buy chain link, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.